Hi everyone, today I'm going to share how to raise your vibration. So I see like a lot of people are feeling low and they want to know how they can go ahead and raise their vibration. So that's what I'm going to share also, because I'm wearing green today, so I thought I should go ahead and share this thing today, how to raise your vibration. So the first thing, of course, I would say meditate. All right, so when you meditate, it raises your vibration because you get energy from source, universe, God, whatever you can call. So like your phone need charging, right? What will happen if you won't charge your phone? Same thing will happen to you if you won't charge yourself. Right? So that's why meditation is so important, because you get the energy of source, universe, God, whatever you can say, right? So the more you will meditate, more energy you will have in you. Okay, so that's the first thing. And second thing is that eat high vibration food. And what is high vibration food? So eat more of fruits and vegetable juice, or normal homemade food, vegetarian food, I would say. So okay, and so vegetarian food, like whatever is homemade, eat that food. That is going to raise your vibration, or you will stay in high vibration if you will go ahead and eat high vibration food. Though I'm not going to say that I don't eat junk food at all. So here and there I do have junk food, but yes, I try to eat as much high vibration food as I can. So you can have your homemade food, whatever is available at Indian home, vegetarian food, right? Whatever vegetable your family is cooking, you can have that. Okay, so yes, so I eat vegetarian. That's what I'm sharing. Eat vegetarian food because that's helped you in staying high vibration. Third is listen to any high vibration person. So you can listen to me, or you can listen to any other high vibration person as well. So content also have the vibration. Whatever you watch have a vibration attached to it, and that's why it's so important. Be mindful of what you watch. Okay, so I want to say here, news has lower vibration, so I don't watch news, and but that doesn't mean that I'm not aware of what's happening. You can come to know like what's happening in the world otherwise as well. So that's what I want to say. Fourth thing is that be mindful of what you watch. Watch high vibration content instead of lower vibration content. So what is high vibration content? Content, which is full of love and happiness. It's not so that's a high vibration content. You can go ahead and make out what is high vibration and what is lower vibration content. Fifth is like go out. If being in nature also raises your vibration. So I'm not able to go to park, because though parks are open here, but we are not allowed to go outside. So in India we are still at home, though it's allowed to go out, like, but if it's necessary. So I'm not going out regularly. I went, I think, on Sunday. I went last week. So yes, so being in nature also raise your vibration. So I think especially in coronavirus, we have realized, especially me, I have realized that how much different it makes, like when you walk in nature and when you just stay at home, right? So like if you live nearby beach, that's really wonderful. So you can go for a walk nearby beach. So, or like you can go to walk in a park, right? That also raise your vibration. Also, sixth is that surround yourself with high vibration people, because people around you also affect your vibration. All right, so if you will have high vibration people around you, you will stay in high vibration. But if you will have people in lower vibration, it will affect your vibration as well. So either you can protect yourself so that their energy cannot affect your energy, right? So you can help them in coming out of that lower vibration. So yeah, that's all I want to share. Also, of course, like, you can read any spiritual book as well, or any inspiration book as well, right? Whatever book you want to read, you can read. There are many spiritual books, so you can read any book in morning, in evening, or like if you are at home in afternoon as well, whenever you have time. So you can read a book as well, because if you take care of your mind, automatically you stay happy because you feel unhappy when you overthink or blah blah blah, right? So if you will go ahead and take care of your mind in best possible way, then automatically you will stay in higher vibration. Seventh is play music in the background, like if you're working or even if you're at home, you can play music, because music is also a great healer. Eighth is, like, whatever makes you happy, go ahead and do that thing, whether you are earning money from it or not. So whatever makes you happy, like, I love inspiring people, that's why I make inspiration video, because it makes me truly happy. So you can also see whatever makes you truly happy, go ahead and do that thing, whether you are earning from it or you're not earning from it. Just do it for fun, okay, because it makes you happy. So go ahead and do that thing, okay. So, and ninth thing is that, like, if wearing makeup makes you happy, go ahead and wear makeup, right? So though it's your wish, right? So also I have realized that wearing makeup also makes us happy as well. Like, if you look good, you feel good, of course. So yeah, so if wearing makeup makes you happy, go ahead and do that. And 10th is that wear your favorite dress. So whatever dress you have, also in coronavirus, I have realized that we should be grateful for whatever clothes we have, right? So like, I also don't used to wear my clothes, I won't lie. I used to just wear a t-shirt and shorts, right? But I have realized, like, at least I should see how it looks before I need to go ahead and throw my clothes, right? Because of course I'm decluttering as well. So I'm just testing right now, like, if I wear something, it is making me feel good, or should I let go of it? So if it's making me feeling, if I'm feeling good by wearing that, I'm keeping it, because I think it's not easy to let go of something. So yes, so I'm just testing right now. So you can see, like, whatever clothes you have, whether you want to keep it, is it making you happy, or you want to let it go. 11th is that keep people in your life who makes you truly happy, rest of them let it go. So letting go is not easy, but so I have done this procedure in last 3 to 4 years. So universe told me to let go of many people in my life, and I did that, and I'm happy about it. So because as you change, people in your life are also going to change, okay. So you need to go ahead and accept that people can stay in your life if they match your vibration. If they don't match your vibration, you need to let it go. So that's all I wanted to share. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care, guys.